Question number 22. An object of mass m makes n revolutions per second and radius of circle r radius at a constant speed. What is the kinetic energy? The moment you say kinetic energy, I can now write this as equal to half mv square. And since it's moving in a circle, so I know that v is equal to r omega. I can substitute this and I can write half m into r square omega square. Now what is omega? Angular velocity. What is this? This should now be equal to 2 pi divided by time taken. Okay, what is the time taken? Now you see it takes n revolutions per second, which means, so I can now write this as 2 pi into n divided by 1 over here. This is your omega. So therefore I can now substitute over here, which should be half m r square into 4 pi square n square, which will now be equal to 2 1s are to 2s are, which will now be equal to 2 pi square m r square n square, right? 2 pi square m r square n square, which is the right answer here. So you have 2 pi square m n square r square. C is the right option. Okay, let's move on to the next one.